Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Kata and joining me is Enikő, who will help us navigate the curtain wall feature in ARCHLine.XP 2025. Hi Enikő.
Hi Kata, hello everyone.
In today's video, we will create 3 different curtain walls. How are these types different?
One key difference is how dominant the structural frame appears visually. In framed and modular curtain walls, the frame and mullions are intentionally visible. In contrast, frameless curtain walls appear almost entirely glass from a distance.
How complex is their construction?
From a construction standpoint, modular curtain walls are the simplest. They consist of prefabricated elements that can be quickly assembled on site. Framed curtain walls require more on-site installation, while frameless types demand high precision when fitting and securing the glass to achieve a clean and elegant result.
Let's start by looking how framed curtain walls are created in ARCHLine.XP.
I will be designing one facade of an 8-story building. Since the curtain wall starts on the first floor, I will mark its position on the first floor plan and then adjust the settings. I find this method the fastest.
What characterizes this type of curtain wall?
A framed curtain wall is a custom-designed site-assembled system. The structural frame is installed first, followed by the glazing. This offers a greater design flexibility. Panel heights are usually aligned with the floor levels, and their widths define the rhythm of the facade. For this facade, I will use 3x3 meter glass panels. The mullions and frame will have a 5x10 cm cross-section and be made of steel. Mullions will be centered relative to the glass, and the frame will be active on all sides.
We also need to adjust the height to fill the entire facade.
The total height of the curtain wall will be 24.45 meters, reaching right up to the top slab.
Now let's see how the modular curtain wall is created.
In terms of settings, it's not significantly different from the frame type. The main difference lies in the construction. Modular curtain wall panels are pre-assembled units that include both glazing and structure. They just need to be joined on site.
So the panel size are factory defined?
Yes, since these are fixed size elements, the facade must be designed to accommodate them. Either we design a surface that fits the panels exactly, or we fill in the gaps with custom-sized glass panels. For easier comparison, I will use 1.5x3 meter panels on this project, so I only had to adjust the width of the reserved space. The rest of the process is the same. I defined the curtain wall's position on the floor plan set to the frame, mullion, and the glass sizes, and kept the frame active on all sides. The total height here is also 24.45 meters.
So the settings for framed and modular curtain walls are almost the same in the software. The main difference is that modular ones use panels with fixed sizes made in a factory.
Exactly. Frameless curtain walls, however, differ in several settings.
Let's see how to create one.
In the glass wall settings, I will again define the height. Like the frame type, this also allows greater design freedom. We are not bound to fixed sizes, so I will specify the number of glass panels instead of their dimensions. Let's go with 4 horizontal and 8 vertical panels.
So frameless doesn't mean there are no divisions or structure, it just means they are more hidden?
That's right. If we want to model a completely clean glass wall, we could specify a single glass panel, but that wouldn't be realistic for such a large surface. Instead, let's use 5x40 mm mullions, placing them on the inner surface of the glass. On the sides, we will use these thinner mullions instead of a thick frame, and we will disable the top and bottom frames. And with that, the curtain wall is complete.
As you have seen, design curtain walls in ARCHLine.XP 2025 is not only visually impressive, but surprisingly simple. The settings are logically structured, easy to navigate, and customizable with just a few clicks. so creative ideas can be realized quickly.
Beyond the 3 types we've shown, you can of course create custom designs too, like angled mullions or point-fixed curtain walls. The only limit is your creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video. Bye!
Bye!